What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this GM remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to get the key fob case open is a quarter. A quarter is really ideal. It's the perfect size, but if you don't have one of these handy, you can use a similar coin or even a flathead screwdriver works, but again, a quarter really is ideal. If we grab our key fob and we're holding it like this, and we take a look at the bottom near the key ring, on the side here, there's a little bit of a notch, and that notch is the perfect size for a quarter. Go ahead and stick it in there like that. And then what I'm going to do once that quarter's in that notch is just twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. So push it in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there, and then twist. And as you do that, it pops the case open. You can go ahead and pull the case apart. Now we see our battery right here. And I'm just going to slide it out of that holder like that. Now I'll grab my new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. Go ahead and slide it in there, and if you find it easier, this circuit board also kind of comes out of this rubber piece if you need a little more room to work with to get the battery out. But once you have your battery installed like that, we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.